Welcome to Invest Connect, where we explore the stocks shaping tomorrow's tech landscape. Today we're focusing on Ondas Holdings, ticker ONDS, a small cap innovator in autonomous drones and private wireless networks. With a market cap around 276 million, is this high-risk, high-reward stock ready to take off? Let's dive in. Ondas operates in two exciting segments: Ondas Autonomous Systems, developing cutting-edge drone solutions, and Ondas Networks, providing mission-critical wireless connectivity. What makes this company a potential gem for investors? First, let's talk drones. Ondas's OAS unit is riding the wave of the $1.1 trillion industrial IoT market. Their systems are gaining traction in defense and homeland security, driving a 500% revenue surge in Q1 2025. New contracts and partnerships show Ondas is scaling fast in US and global defense markets. Ondas Networks is another key driver, tapping into a $30 billion global rail infrastructure market with its FullMax platform. Analysts are optimistic, with a consensus strong buy rating and a potential upside from its recent price. But here's the flip side. Ondas isn't profitable yet, and their cash burn raises concerns. So, what's the future look like? Ondas is well positioned in high-growth sectors, aligning with global trends in automation and security. If they execute on their revenue goals, they could transition from a speculative play to a leader in IoT infrastructure. From an investing perspective, Ondas Holdings is a high-risk, high-reward bet. What do you think about Ondas Holdings? Bullish on drones and wireless tech, or too risky for your portfolio?